Eastern PA Weather Authority meteorologist Bobby Martrich here with your outlook for February 17th, 2016. And for your Wednesday, we're going to clear things out quite a bit. We had one heck of a storm here that featured just about every piece of precipitation type and you name it. We had it all. That was one crazy storm that we were just dealing with, and we're just happy to see that finally exit the region here. We went from some 40 degrees plus temperature swings, with starting off with snow, then freezing rain, sleet, over to rain, some heavy rain yesterday, some high winds, a squall line of thunderstorms. It was just pretty crazy. But today we're going back to tranquil conditions, and we're going to have temperatures that are going to be kind of right around near average for this time of year, maybe slightly above by a degree or two, but nice afternoon with partly cloudy skies. We're going to have a cold front that's going to approach tonight, and it's going to be a very, very weak front. Not much to this, and nothing precipitation-wise expected with it either. So that'll come through overnight hours. The only thing that's going to do is knock temperatures back about 5-6 degrees for Thursday, and high pressure on Thursday will move pretty much right over top of our area, maybe just north of us. Here's our high pressure here on Thursday. So we're going to have a mostly sunny day on Thursday, but temperatures are going to be a couple degrees below normal for this time of year. So normal, depending where you're at, we'll say it's right around 40 in our central locations, and a little bit higher south, a little bit less than that north. So we'll be a little bit colder for highs here on Thursday, but that's going to be short-lived. We start going to back to near normal here on Friday. Have an increase in clouds with a system coming in from our west. I think the majority of this stays to the north, but we'll have the opportunity for an isolated shower, especially across central and northern sections here overnight Friday night, and then that might linger into the very early portions of Saturday morning. But I think Saturday most of the day should be rain-free. It should be a partly cloudy, so we're becoming partly cloudy on Saturday. The story this weekend here is we're going to have mild temperatures in here, very mild temperatures. Temperatures get up in the 50s, very warm temperatures for both Saturday and Sunday, and actually even Monday too. But I think we start turning the corner as we get into Monday. As far as temperatures are concerned, the GFX is actually showing some showers here in the vicinity. We'll have to keep an eye on that. That would probably be Sunday night if that were to occur. But right now, it does look like it's going to get a little bit colder as we head into next week. And then I just want to show you, we'll move ahead a little bit here, because this is going outside of our normal 6-day range here. This is getting into next Tuesday and Wednesday time frame. Might be dealing with another storm here off the coast with snow, freezing rain, sleet, and all kinds of nonsense here. But there's several models showing this potential here. It's not just the GFS. The European model was very aggressive with it in its afternoon run on Tuesday. So definitely a time frame of interest here. Makes sense with the MJO cycle and also the SOI drop to coincide right around this time period. So should have some cold air available with this. It's just a matter of where it tracks at this point. Most models have it somewhere in the vicinity of just off the coast, which would be very good for snow. Not worried about cold air not being involved. There are some tracks you're showing it further inland, but that's all has to deal with the positioning of the polar vortex, and a lot of them have it too far north, where it should be further south. At least observations are indicating that it should be further south. So we're going to side with a colder solution right now. So there's a couple different solutions here. This is the one that everybody would want if you're a snow lover. One cutting inland would be something similar to what we just had. Maybe not the details, but then also the third track obviously be out to sea. So all on the table at this range, of course, because we're talking about well out into the future here, and this isn't really worth really going into as far as details yet. But there are a couple. One right after that too. A couple days after that, there's another shot too. So it could be a wild end to the month of February, and we'll be following it over the next couple of days. But it's still too early to speculate on what that can do. Eastern PA Weather Authority meteorologist Bobby Martrich. That is your outlook for February 17th, 2016. Have a great Wednesday.